the pioneer who was there before. So it'll be very, very difficult for Rodigan to get that award. They were there before, like V-Rocket and all these songs were pioneers in England.
We can't tell once artists were Rodigan boss or one artist were Rodigan. Rodigan make me know him. Yeah? Always, our thing them when I shot already, them come first and then go, they go play. And basically, like, they have a powerful point. Rodigan have to come defend himself and argue theme case now make me hear.
I'm of the opinion that we all have a contribution to play to the development of reggae music worldwide. And I think Rodigan has done his best. I think he has made a good contribution to reggae music. Certainly as a little boy growing up, we used to hear about David Rodigan and the radio stations in England. And that must have played a very, very big part in the development of reggae on that side of the world. So, whereas maybe he has not been personally involved with artists who have gone on to become big-time artists. And I know he has played a part with that too, because he has played their music worldwide and has allowed people to listen to these artists and form their own opinions. So this is a thing where we all have to come together and join hands and heart and put the thing forward and put it out there. So to really say that he has not played a role and he has not burst, I don't think that is fair to Rodigan. I think that he has done his part.